You're back for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here, going back to 2021. And then after I show you this count, I'm gonna show you the Bitcoin chart going all the way back to 2010, just so I can show you exactly where we are in regards to the cycle. We have a three-wave move down from 2021 for our A wave, three-wave move up for our B wave, sweeping this A wave high, and then we have a waterfall move down in a five-wave fashion for our C wave. This is a classic Elliott wave flat pattern, and we perfectly bottomed out here right at the 1.786. Okay, you see how we perfectly bottomed out there? And then in and around the beginning of January, we had a five-wave move to the upside for our A wave. Over 150 days of what's called Wyckoff reaccumulation for our B wave, so an A, B, C correction. And then in September 2023 is when we started our next leg up. So we had a jump across, we had what's called a jump across the creek in this range over here. Okay, now it looks like we had our, if we zoom in a little bit, it looks like this over here was our wave 1, this is our wave 2, and then as most of you guys know, wave 3 is usually the largest wave. So we have a wave 1, 2, 3, A, B, C correction for our wave 4, and then a wave 5 of our third wave. Now what we're seeing over here is a wedge pattern for our macro fourth wave of our C wave. Okay, so we have our A wave here, our B wave, our C, our D, and it looks like for our E wave we're coming down for what's called a wave 5 overthrow. And usually with an overthrow you overshoot the pattern, and it causes a spring-like action. Okay, so we're currently, when we measure the move from this low over here up to this high, we are on the 38.2% fib. But if you lose this 38.2% fib, then it's likely will be gravitated towards the 50. And then we would want to see bulls pick up steam from there. So in order to confirm that this over here is a bottom, we would want to see this 38.2% fib hold at 57,578, and then get back above this region here at 67,000. Okay, we would need to get back above and then have multiple closures above, or a couple 4-hour closures above, or 1 or 2 4-hour closures above to confirm this as support and to confirm this as a bottom. But so far these are the fib supports. So nothing to worry about with Bitcoin here. I do not think Bitcoin has topped out. Okay, this over here is your third wave, come down for a fourth, and then we'll have a wave 5 of C towards 115 to 125K before we have a very bad recession, okay, with the US stock market. It's likely going to go towards $5,000 after this tops out over here. And the reason for that is because when we go back to 2010, we see that we have, so let's go on the weekly over here. We see that we have 5 waves here. So this over here from 2010, this is your wave 1, your wave 2, your 3, 4, and then after having your fourth wave here in December 2014, we then go on to form what's called an ending diagonal. So you have an A, B, C for your wave 1, A, B, C for your wave 2, A, B, C for your wave 3, A, B, C for your wave 4, and look what we have over here. A, B, C for our wave 5, right? Then you come down to likely towards the 50% measured from your wave 4 low up to your expected wave 5 high, which would be around the 4,500 region. I hope you guys enjoyed the Bitcoin video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.